ஹலோ எவ்ரிவன், நான் தான் உங்கள் ரோஷினி. இன்றைக்கி சிபிஎஸ்சி அவங்க ஃபிசிக்ஸ் எக்ஸாம் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, விச் இஸ் 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட். ஸோ பேப்பர் எப்படி இருந்ததுன்னு சார் கிட்ட கேட்கலாம். குட் மார்னிங், சாரி குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன் சார்.
Good Roshni. Paper na. So we want to analyze this paper, right?
Yes.
So let's discuss section by section.
Yeah,
That will be easy, na?
Yeah.
Seriya. So first of all, section A. There we have MCQ and assertion reason. Total how many questions are there?
Total 1 to 16.
1 to 16, correct. So MCQ question and assertion reasons are there. So honestly speaking, this MCQ questions are not straight.
Okay.
It's easy but not straight. If you're expecting like directly using formula answer should come, that is not going to happen. But questions are easy. So I believe like if a student has done some practices, proper practice with some basic solving of the question skills you have, then this section will not be difficult for you. But if you have not solved the numericals, because some student I have seen now, they have keep on reading the notes, doing derivations and all, mug upping all theory, they will definitely find it very challenging because questions are completely numericals. Okay, only numericals in section A. There are assertion reason bit theory where that also is kind of very conceptual. Okay, so I believe like if you have prepared well, then out of this 16 marks, easily you can get around 12 plus 12 up to 12 to 16, whatever you land. But if you have not prepared and numerical is weak, then marks may go less than 10, and that will be somewhere between 5 to 10. Okay, yes. So it is quite challenging, right? Okay, so next
is
section B.
Yeah, 2 marks.
2 marks question is always lovely question because it's neither too difficult nor too easy. It's kind of very tricky where only you can ask some derivations, some definition, SI unit, all this. And CBSE has tried to balance all those things. You can find in 2 marks they have asked few derivations also. Then definition based questions are there. So it is quite mixed with few numericals and theory. So you can say that the maximum theory what can be added is they have added in 2 marks. Okay, so 2 marks is moderate. It's neither difficult not easy. So if you are prepared subject, you can answer this very well. So 2 mark questions, how many are there?
17 to 21.
70 to 21, right? So how many it is? 70, 90, 90, 20, 21, 5 into 2, 10. So total 10 marks. 10 marks means if you have good strong hold on this, then I expect like you will land somewhere between 6 to 10. Okay, if you are very good, then maybe 8 plus also. Okay,
and the third is section 3,
right? Section C we have 3 mark questions, right? And this is where we have a huge weightage.
Okay, sir.
Right, 7 questions are there and 21 marks are there, right? And this we can say the entire paper, this is the most difficult zone. And those students who have mastered this, excellent. And I felt like these 3 mark questions are challenging. They are not very easy, and CBSE has tried to make it moderate, but derivation, numericals, because lot of numericals has been asked.
No theory.
Theories are there, but majority part is numerical. This year, Roshni, what changes I seen in the paper is like you bring 2 paper, old CBSE paper and some entrance exam paper like VAT type, and you merge this 2 paper, what you call superposition in physics, na? Do that one, and then what outcome will come. So this is the paper. So it is proper merging of old theoretical type CBSE and entrance. So what CBSE has mentioned already, they have given warning, not warning, it was alert that 50% questions are going to be competency based, and it is perfectly reflecting in the question paper.
Okay.
So I suggest a student that focus more on numericals hereafter. You simply don't say that I am not preparing for entrance exam, I have to do only CBSE. Forget that old style. Okay, next
Section B, which is 4 marks.
4 marks. 4 marks, I believe that questions are easy. This is only 2 questions, 29 and 30. One question they asked that was from practical, from ray optics, and one question they have asked that is quite easy. So 4 mark questions are very easy, and the best part of these questions are that you do not have much option to lose the mark because they are divided into parts. If it is a 3 mark question and a single question, and if you don't know, 3 mark is gone. But in case study, the point is like you have divided into parts, one. Total 4 questions are suppose you are having one. So you very rarely lose mark here. Even you are losing, you may lose 1 mark. So even you see that the student usually in 8 marks this section, they will perfectly cross around 5 to 6. And if you have done properly, 8 marks also. So easily I've seen students are scoring 8 marks here. So this section I consider very easy only, not difficult. Yes. And the last one, right? Section
E.
which is 5 marks, right? 31 to
33.
33. So total 3 questions are here.
So it is
And
15 marks.
15 mark again, high weightage. If you see the E section and C section, this is the more weightage part, right? Here we found 21 and here we found 15. 21 from 50 below.
So what? So you're asking basic maths?
I don't know max.
21 minus 15.
Plus
Plus.
Ah.
Sir, it is 36. Sir.
Very good. You are good in maths. Need to student good in maths. Yes, yes. So see, 36 is 50% of the paper. 35 comes around 50, 70. So 35 is the 50%. So another big challenge is in section A. And you know, I'm happy that this year section E is not so difficult like last year.
Okay.
I'm not telling that this is easy also. It's a moderate zone. It meaning is section E questions are not challenging as like previous year. So here there is a relaxation, and in 15 marks, if you have attended the paper, whether you have done right or wrong, that is secondary. But if all 3 questions you have attended, then there's a high chance that you will land somewhere between 10 to 12. And if you have done correctly, definitely it is going to be 15. Yes. So here also very less chance of losing mark. The highest chances of losing mark is in section C. Yes, that is the most 3 marks, where only I have seen most of the students are losing the mark. So this is section wise analysis. Rosni, next what you want to know?
So next is overall difficulty.
Overall difficulty, very good. This I cannot talk very bluntly or very flat way. I will talk very technically. Okay. Overall difficulty, I first take 2 type of student. If student A has prepared this physics paper only from the point of CBSE board exam.
Okay.
Suppose you are only having the target like I have to do only CBSE, then this paper is difficult for you.
Okay.
Can you tell why?
Why, sir?
I have to tell. Okay, super. I tell you the reason behind that. Lot of numerical have been inserted. As I told you earlier, no, that one type of CBSE and one type of entrance exam paper is completely mixed now. So those 50% competency based question which came from entrance level, that you will find difficult. Okay. So this is the reason I felt like those from CBSE point of view, those who are prepared, paper is difficult. And there are another type of a student who are prepared from like, okay, CBSE and basic entrance exam. So they have already done few numerical type of question and they have such basic practices. Those kind of a student will tell that this paper is moderate to easy. Moderate to easy. So somewhere I believe like it is moderate, either moderate to easy side shifting depends on your preparation, or moderate to difficult side, it depending on your way of preparation. So those who has focus on CBSE type of preparation, it is going to be moderate to difficult. And those who have focused on entrance level preparation, moderate to koncha kile varo, right? Easy da. Okay. So on average I can say the paper is moderate. Yes or no? From teacher point of view, this is moderate. From a student point of view, how you prepared, it depends, right?
And so can you discuss about the chapter wise weightage, sir?
Chapter wise, see, CBSE is always balanced in asking the question. They do not do partiality with the chapter. But if you see the chapter contribution, and chapter contribution you have to see in such a way, like if you see entire physics of 12, so what we learn basically, one side we are learning electrostatics, second side we are learning magnetic, third you are learning modern and optics. Correct. So their focus is on core physics. If electrostatic means, they have given more weightage to first chapter and second chapter, of course, that is field and potential. There they have taken more number of questions. Electricity also comfortable weightage is given. So first 3 chapter, that is electric field, potential and current, have nice representation in this paper. If a student is very smart in that, easily they can do. But unfortunately students find that chapter difficult, right? So they are going to face it quite difficult. Then come to magnetic part. It's a balanced paper in magnetic. Every chapter got good representation, including EMI, EMF, that field run, and then magnetism. Everywhere they have taken question, but questions are very moderate. There is no difficulty in those block. Okay, and then when you come to second volume, modern physics, there also good weightage is there, but the number of questions are quite less what was expected, right? Like we are expecting more number of questions there, but they have reduced. And but question what they have asked, this is very fundamental questions as expected.
Okay.
Yes, and optics and both ray and wave.
No questions came, sir. Very
This
easy chapter.
there is one thing I felt, Rosni. I also keep telling this one. Unnecessary school teachers they keep on deriving a lot of derivation in this chapter. Ray optics, do this one, that one. Not a single derivation they have asked.
Yes.
Derivation. I'm not saying that in paper derivations are not there. Derivation is there, but that is not derivation, but that is part of problem. Suppose you are asking to find capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. That is not derivation. That is a question which comes in theory format, right? Then here due to loop you are finding electric, magnetic, whatever it is there. So that is also a part of question, right? So meaningless derivation is not there.
Okay.
If derivation is there, there is purpose in terms of numerical part. So derivation wise, ray optics is zero represented. So it has good weightage, but derivation is not touched. So if I talk the paper like theory, numerical, and
And derivations.
theory, numerical, and derivation. Theory very less.
Very, very less.
You seen already the paper. Derivation meaningful, few derivation.
Meaning.
Unnecessary derivation they have not asked. And numericals weightage is increased.
Yes.
I felt like this paper is shifting somewhat like JEE type. Mathematical approach it is shifting.
Yes.
Right? More numericals and more calculations are there. So paper time management issue will be definitely with the student. Those who are slow in maths, they might have find it difficult in managing time. So it is all up to you how you felt the paper. But this is my evaluation, right? And any more question you have?
Sir, what is your view, sir?
Acha, my view, conclusion.
Yeah. Conclusion.
First of all, about the paper is moderate, neither difficult nor easy.
Okay.
Second, how coming generation, that is coming 11th going to 12th, the students should study. First, remove from your mind that you are preparing for CBSE. There is nothing called CBSE now, because CBSE NEET and JEE has almost become a similar exam now. So whatever you are doing, your level of preparation should be of moderate entrance level. See, there are two entrance, moderate and difficult. Moderate entrance is like Amrita, VAT, that kind of entrance, and difficult is like definitely NEET, JEE, and that kind of entrance. See your calibration. If you are capable to do IET and NEET and all, then go for a difficult level of preparation. If you are not able to do that, then you scale down and go to moderate level of entrance exam. But you must prepare from entrance exam point of view. Simply if you are reading the book and trying to mug up the theory and traditional method of all theoretical, it is not at all going to help you, because question is completely conceptual. You have to understand an answer. So this is my suggestion, that do more and more numericals. Okay, write and study physics. Simply don't mug up karo. Yes. So I hope you are satisfied with.
Sure, sir. Satisfied with your opinion.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
All the best.